For the butterfly antenna hat, we're going to start with 2 balloons. You want them inflated the same amount with the uninflated part being even. So this one, I'm going to squeeze the balloon a little bit to get that to go down some. Then you come to the end, twist these together. This point, you're going to put these in the front or the very center of the bat to measure around somebody's head. Then that's how big your hat's going to be. Twist these together. Then you're going to make 2 bubbles twisted together again. And what I do is I fold this over and treat these like one big pinch twist to twist these together. I usually alternate the color of this with the remaining amount. What I do with these is curl them, and then you can make the bubbles on the end. For this hat, you can have these curling sideways, which I kind of like. You can have them curled back. You can have them curled forward. Or you could have the whole hat on the other way with them curled forward. You have a lot of options with this one.